If you're tired of high maintenance costs and unreliable readings, but still need unbeatable accuracy, then LMI Weighbridges are your next move. Let's raise the standard together. LMI Weighbridges aren't just built, they're engineered for performance and peace of mind. Since 1995, we've led the way in South Africa with innovation and rock-solid reliability. Our secret? We manufacture our own digital load cells and instrumentation, so you get SABS-approved accuracy and repairs in hours, not weeks. That means less downtime and way lower maintenance costs. Our engineers design every structure with precision, using just enough material for maximum strength and minimum weight. The result? A weighbridge that's robust yet cost-effective, with open bottoms that eliminate moisture pockets and stop corrosion in its tracks. Customization is key. Choose your size, strength, and all the extras. Portable ramps, side guards, solar power, PC operation, vehicle identification, total automation, even unmanned operation with remote maintenance. We've got all types covered: standard, heavy-duty, road, rail, portable, multi-deck. You name it, we build it. And LMI's advanced software? It's your digital watchdog. Get continuous error reporting, instant fault detection, traffic control, automatic truck ID, axle load analysis, and real-time overload alerts, all at a glance. No more guesswork, just data-driven decisions. With over 2,000 successful installations, our customers trust us for accuracy, durability, and service. Don't settle for less. Choose LMI and put your business on a solid foundation. Ready to weigh smarter?